Would like Harsh to give me 5 words which I have taught you. Come on, fast, without even thinking.
Sophisticated gadgets, unrealistic targets, neurological deficit or neurological disorders, um, prompt actions, and uh, deterioro- deteriorated deterioration,
Deteriorate, or
deter-
detrimental impact.
detrimental impact. Yeah.
Amrinder, we can't hear you.
Potentially dangerous, specifically
Yes.
conducive environment, holistic development,
Yes.
extremely important,
Lovely. Ritika,
life skills. Yeah.
life skills. Lovely. Ritika,
Yeah, support system, conducive environment, and respective authorities, and um, sorry, terrifying,
terrified, terrified.
terrified, and
Struggle,
um,
struggle.
struggle.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
simple word, but it's a nice, sophisticated word. Struggle. Okay, lovely. So you're learning the words. That's lovely. Now I'm going to play a small game before I start with my next, activity. So this is an important activity, which is like we're going to play with words, and it's your brain game. Now I'm going to give you one alphabet, and you have to give me any word that comes to your mind in English. Like if I say A, it has to be active. If I say for example, C, it can be can, it can be could, grammatical words, h, however, right? But you can't tell me if I say A, you say apple. If I say A, Amsterdam, no, you can't do that. And you can't even tell this ki like, okay, A, oh, C. जब तक आप बोलते हो कि अच्छा ए बोला मैम ने, सी बोला, आपका ब्रेन तब तक वो प्रोसेसिंग शुरू कर देता, वो नहीं करना है. The moment I say Harsh cake, you have to give me one word. I mean, any word that just comes to your mind. Let's play. Done? Perfect. Okay, Ritika, first word T.
Terrifying.
Amrinder, D.
Doomsaying.
Dooms?
Doomsaying.
Doomsaying. Okay, it's doomsday. Harsh,
Yeah.
E.
Ma'am, sorry.
E.
E. Electronic.
Okay. A. Ritika.
A. Oh,
अब आपका दिमाग सोचना शुरू कर रहा है ना. अब ए है,
yeah.
क्या बोलूं? Ability, abstract,
Ability.
actually, any word, any formal, informal word. Amrinder,
Yeah.
S.
Struggle.
Harsh, N.
Natural.
Natural. Ritika, T.
The trauma.
Trauma. Amrinder, H.
Holistic development.
B. Harsh.
Bullying.
Ritika, P.
P. Parameter.
Parameter. Lovely. Amrinder, M.
Mesmerize.
Lovely. Harsh, R.
Ruby.
Ruby. That's a name. No, you can't. R.
Sorry, I mean like rubies. Okay.
Rubies as gems. Okay, okay. Ritika.
Okay.
Okay, Ruby. R. Come on.
Our
Uh, re-
respective authorities.
Respective authorities. See, now this particular game is your. अब आपको समझ आ रहा है subconscious mind में क्या है? Guys, I'm not preparing you for this class. I'm preparing you for the final day when you're sitting and writing your paper, and I want my student to be at ease. Because I repeat, I don't trust any one of you. इनसे मैम क्या बोल रहे हो? मैं ये कहने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि अगर फाइनल डे पे आपने क्वेश्चन को तरीके से नहीं पढ़ा, सब कुछ जीरो हो जाना है मेरा. तो मेरा क्या कहने का मतलब है कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप इतना प्रिपेयर्ड हो जाओ कि फाइनल डे पे आप क्वेश्चन को समझने के लिए आप बेशक 5 मिनट ले लो, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। बिकॉज काफी बारी क्या होता है, बच्चा क्वेश्चन ही नहीं समझता, जब क्वेश्चन ही नहीं समझेगा तो वो सारी चीजें ऊपर जाएगा ही नहीं, चाहे वो कैब है, चाहे वो योर सीक्वेंस है, एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, एवरीथिंग गोज फॉर अ टॉस। Right. So I want you to relax, read the question, enjoy the question, because जो question आपको final day पे आएगा, कहीं ना कहीं हमने वो question class में किया होगा, वो topic किया होगा for sure, या maybe वो same question किया होगा, लेकिन आपने उस question को तरीके से पढ़ना है। Why I'm telling you this? Let me give you a small example. There was this student of mine who was basically an 8 band student, and she comes up with 6.5, and I'm like, what you did? I came to know later when I had discussions with examiners and everything. So, students, what they do, if the question is like, some people say that doctors, teachers, nurses should be paid more. Do you agree or disagree? उसने पूरे ऐसे में क्या लिखा? Doctors, nurses, teachers who are paid more now. Question said, some people say the doctors, teachers, and nurses should be paid more. और उसने बोल दिया कि who are paid more now. पूरा का पूरा डिफरेंस हो गया, सेंटेंस को उसने समझा ही नहीं, तो ऑब्वियसली उसके 6.5 से ऊपर या 6 के ऊपर क्यों जाएगा? तो 6.5 मे बी सीक्वेंस, ग्रामर, वोकैब के रीजंस, क्या पैरामीटर्स में आ गया, लेकिन वो मैजिक बैंड नहीं आएगा क्योंकि सेंटेंस को समझा ही नहीं है। आईएल्स कहता है रीडिंग में भी, और आपकी स्पीकिंग में भी, और आपकी राइटिंग में भी, एंड लेटर राइटिंग में भी, या आपको सेंटेंस का मतलब समझ आया कि नहीं आया? That is where the problem is. That's why I say I don't trust you, because I actually don't trust you. So for this reason, I am going to give you enough time that my students should go over there and relax and read the question, feel the question, understand the demand of the question, and then all set to go. Right? काफी बारी क्वेश्चन में क्या होता है, दो चीजों के बारे बात होती है. They might talk about, I'll give you an example also अभी. तो आप क्वेश्चन में आप एक चीज के बारे बात कर देते हो और एक चीज के बारे बात ही नहीं करते हो. What is the impact on individual and society? कुछ भी क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. What is the impact on individual and society? बच्चा सोसाइटी के बारे लिख लेता है लेकिन इंडिविजुअल के बारे कोई बात ही नहीं करके आता है. टास्क अचीवमेंट के मार्क्स कटेंगे रॉयली फॉर श्योर. So at that time, this is important. Right? So this is what I call subconscious mind. So subconscious mind will help you with this. अब इसके बाद एक और फाइट है. You will have to start making a pocket dealing with topic centric word. If it is food, then it has to be nutrients, diet, calorie dense food, food rich in protein, carbs. ये आ गया मेरे food के related vocabulary. फिर मुझे words आ गए environment, toxic gases like sulfur, right? Contamination of water, right? A marine life. ये डेटा बैंड हो गया मेरा आपके रिलेटेड टू एनवायरमेंट. फिर सीनियर सिटीजन, फिर चिल्ड्रन, फिर टेक्नोलॉजी, वो भी अभी हमने करना है, जो कि हम एसएस में कर लेंगे. दैट विल डू इट. ठीक है? राइट. So these are the kind of games that we will be certainly playing with each one of you.